Simpol, luto na, ha.
Para sa ating mga kasimpol na may royal blood, itong espesyal na po tayo para sa inyo. Sisimulan natin. Magme-melt tayo ng butter. Half our butter. At isosote natin yung ating mushrooms. I-brown lang natin ng konti ang ating mushrooms para mas may flavor. At ilalagay na natin ating minced onions, minced garlic, at diced chicken. Season natin siya ng konting salt at konting herbs. Yung gamit ko dito ay konting thyme at konting dried basil. Dagdagan natin ng butter at flour. Para tayong gumagawa ng roux, hinahalo natin yung flour at saka yung butter para maging thickener sa ating chicken a la king. It's important that the butter and flour are well incorporated before we add our chicken stock para smooth ang ating sauce. Now we add our chicken stock. Mix natin into a smooth sauce. Well incorporated the flour, the butter, and the stock. Yan, nagtithicken na siya. Add a little bit more. Little by little para sure tayo na walang lumps. Ngayon, ilalagay natin yung iba nating mga ingredients. So, meron tayong sliced ham, diced ham, minced red bell pepper, for color, sweet corn, whole corn kernels, sweet peas, and ating all-purpose cream. We season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And it's done. So you can use this chicken a la king recipe for pasta. You can make it as a filling for chicken pastel or shepherd's pie topped with mashed potatoes. But today I'm using bread cups, toasted bread cups for serving. Chicken a la king, simple!